5913 of 2024, which is on behalf of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and Barrister Gohar Khan. It's just to place some facts before the board.
Can you repeat the number, please?
5913 of 2024. This is on behalf of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and Barrister Gohar Khan. So, note, if I could just very quickly go through my 7 points.
Yes, 5913.
Hopefully within 10 minutes. And I take the position with a great deal of respect and recognition of what Justice Athar Manilla has said, that there is a larger context. But putting that larger context to a side and starting with the presumption that PTI-backed candidates were declared independents in terms of the proviso to Rule 94, that proviso remains on the statute book, and therefore we were treated as independents once elected.
Is there any order regarding all the candidates that all of you are independent?
But in my case, the second
by the election commission.
one of the 2nd February orders.
So it's only in respect of your
But they made a general declaration that anybody who has come in a situation similar to mine, I had filed nomination papers declaring myself to be a PTI candidate, and the election commission said that since the party has been denied.
I think there is no order in respect of all the candidates that all of them are independent.
No, but that order lays down the law, the understanding of the law, and what happened in reality. I'll just come to that when I come to the factual aspects given in CMA 5913. So the order passed in my case, and even prior to that, on the day 13th of January, we were told that there are 2 sets of symbols available, those for independents and those for political parties. We could only choose from the set put aside for independents. So it was very clear with the ROs on the 13th of January, and the 2nd February ECP order only confirms that situation, that we were to be treated as independents because of the explanation to Rule 94. Read with the judgment which said that PTI is not entitled to a symbol. So that created us as independents, regardless of what our affiliation in the nomination papers was.
Just clarification of a factual aspect. The record that has been placed before us by the ECP was contradicted by Mr. Gohar Ali Khan when he appeared one day.
Yes.
Do you confirm?
Yes, my lord. Kindly see, since my lord has raised that.
The ECP has not
placed the entire
record. The
No
record
responsibility is upon you to submit the record. Where is that record?
Let me show, my lord. Let me show.
You say that the election commission has.
Kindly see, I am submitting that we be treated as independents who have joined SIC. But मैं उसका जवाब दे दूं how they have suppressed the record. Kindly see in CMA 5840 Part 2. From pages 168 onwards, they have chosen to file my nomination papers. They've somehow, from all the candidates available, they thought they would attack me because I'm appearing as counsel. So they filed my nomination papers from page 168 onwards. And I take your lordships the court.
I'm a bit confused. Who are you representing right now?
PTI.
Kawal Shawzab as well as PTI.
When you talk about the petitioner, the candidate, please be specific. Then you say I'm arguing on behalf of PTI.
But Kawal Shawzab is the chairman, president of the women's wing of the PTI.
Her case is different.
आपकी application है ना भी जो आपने दी?
जी मैंने PTI की application भी दे दी है. There is no conflict between
Which page you want to refer?
Now kindly see, they've placed my nomination papers, me as in Salman Akram Raja, at page 168 onwards. Now this shows my affiliation declaration, page 166 onwards.
Salman Raja, just a question. Now I'm in the context of this application that you've given. I just want to know that PTI had fielded how many candidates to which you had issued certificates for the National Assembly?
I'll get the exact number, but my
figure to बताएं.
But it's over 170. We were contesting every single.
Everybody was given certificates.
Yes, and that is what I want to now demonstrate. Kindly see, pages 166 onwards till 185. 263, Gohar Khan Sahib tells me, 263 tickets were issued
Pakistan.
all across Pakistan. Now kindly see at page
What's the, I mean, where do we see this
for National
thing?
Assembly.
Where do we see this thing? Did you put it up somewhere?
Yes, we put out our lists of
Where is
candidates
that?
on our website. On our websites.
We have is there anything on the record here?
On our website can only be gone through if somebody.
Mr. Salman Akram Raja,
जी मैं एक
Yes, we have the right.
जी
आपके अपना भी डिक्लेरेशन नजरियाती का है
मैं आपको ही दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ काइंडली सी बेयर विद मी फॉर अ मोमेंट
स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट
जी जी मैं आपको अभी दिखा रहा
पेपर्स के
हूँ
मुताबिक
मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ इसीलिए मैं आया हूँ
नजरियाती लिखा हुआ है
जी काइंडली सी वी स्टार्ट एट पेज 166 से जरा शुरू कीजिए I filed my nomination paper and then at page 168 I declare my affiliation to the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. And then kindly see, I also with this filed my PTI ticket, which I have now placed for your lordship's perusal with CMA 5917, which they have suppressed.
I'm confused. We were at page 184. What is?
No, 166, we were at page 166 and then 168.
Then you went us to, took us
Then
to one.
we go to 184.
Then you went to 180. What is at 183? There's a statutory declaration.
Gee, kindly. So at 183, there is a declaration. At 184, there is the.
Why are we seeing these papers? You're
to
not
show-
telling us that.
Yes, to show that they have suppressed the record. Supposedly, they claim they filed my entire nomination papers and the supporting documents, but they have not done so. I will just demonstrate that in a moment.
दिखा देना वो
जी,
क्या चीज़ है?
At page 185 भी देख लीजिए, which is the withdrawal of the Nazriyati ticket and the certificate. At page 185, within minutes, I withdrew. It was given and then I immediately withdrew it. And they accept the withdrawal. But what they suppress from the court is what is available in CMA 5917.
Second, need to pull that out. 5917.
5917.
ये आपने विड्रॉ किया उसके बाद आपको क्या तस्वुर किया जाए ये तो नहीं लिखा आपने इसमें
मैं एक मिनट bear with me kindly see
सर इंडिपेंडेंट और पीटीआई
जी पेज 23 पे आइए पेज 23 पे आइए जरा 5917 के sorry not 23 is Kamal Shazab my own
Page
ticket
5917.
मैं एक लम्हा गया
What do we should we see on 5917?
page 144 page 144
Email again.
144 पे आ जाइए This is the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf ticket issued to me. And you see at page 144.
Mr. Salman Akram Raja, we are dealing with the case of Ms. Shozab Kamal, not yours.
No, but they have chosen to file my documents. So I'm just demonstrating suppression. I'm just demonstrating that they have suppressed documents. Now at page 144 is my ticket, which
5914 में कौन सा पेज है 5914 में
5917 में CMA 5917, page 144.
मिलती नहीं है 5917 निकालो इधर तुम सब मिक्स कर दोगे मैं
Point I'm making is that the documents that they filed are not the complete documents which were filed before the ROs.
5917
Now,
But one thing.
डेट ऑफ सबमिशन इसमें 13 जनवरी की है
PG 13 January है, which
नहीं
was,
13 जनवरी नहीं है 12 जनवरी है
नहीं sir, kindly see नीचे जो
नो
दस्तखत हैं।
ऊपर नहीं आप ऊपर देखिए
नहीं, आप
नहीं,
return-
आप
Yes.
वो किसी की दस्तखत नहीं है ऊपर जो तारीख
मुझे इशू हुआ 12 जनवरी को
12 जनवरी को आप स्टैच्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन फाइल कर रहे हैं 13 जनवरी को और नजरियाती दिखा रहे हैं
मैं अर्ज कर रहा हूँ ना सर मुझे अर्ज करने दें ये 12 जनवरी को मुझे इशू हुआ 13 जनवरी को मैंने ये फाइल कर दिया नीचे आप देखिए रिसीविंग है दिस इज द रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर अगर आप इनकी
नहीं, रिसीविंग को छोड़िए ना मगर डॉक्यूमेंट तो एग्जिस्टिंग
मुझे
कर रहा
अर्ज
था
करने
जब आप स्टैच्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन फाइल कर रहे
कि
हैं
मुझे अर्ज करने दें I'm just showing the suppression on their part legal implications are a separate matter why have they not filed this ticket is in fact even discussed in the 2nd February 2024 order passed by the
But you filed it now make the point
The point is simply this that they have suppressed the record
भाई चलें आगे बढ़िए ना प्लीज
मुझे अर्ज करने दें kindly this is a very important point because this entire chart that they filed becomes very suspicious when your lordships realize that this chart is based on suppression of documents
कौन सा पेज है ये
page 144
Whatever they filed,
Sir, मुझे अर्ज करने दें एक लम्हे के लिए it's very important they've filed a chart and they've said इतने लोगों ने सिर्फ टिकट
I
जमा
think
कराया
it's very important
जी,
in
it's
this
a very
particular
important
case
submission.
because the questions have been raised
about our
regarding the fairness of the elections
Ab ye
and the
dekhiye,
role of the Election Commission itself.
I'm grateful, my
If
lord.
it can suppress some material
From the Supreme
information
Court.
from us,
From the Supreme Court, kindly see. So my ticket was duly filed with my nomination
कौन
papers.
सा पेज बोल रहे हैं
Page 144, sir.
144
जी 144 of CMA 5917 मुझे इन्होंने कहा कि हम ये रिसीव ही नहीं करते आपसे टिकट because your party has not been declared entitled to a symbol. So they tried to return this to me. I being the lawyer, I insisted. I said, no, you have to take it and give me a receipt that I've given you this ticket. That is why the RO signed it. The signatures that the court will see at page 144 dated 13/1/2024 are identical to the signatures at page 185 where I withdraw the Nazriati ticket. So what happened was this ticket was filed. Then they said, sorry, we will not treat you as PTI candidates because the Supreme Court judgment is there. So withdraw your tickets. They actually returned the tickets. I refused to take it back. I said, no, I'm not going to take my ticket back. You, in fact, give me a receipt that I filed my ticket. And that is why this receipt was given to me. And yet, when they filed these documents with their CMA, they suppressed this ticket to say, I only
Mr.
filed.
Raja, you used the word 3-4 times. Can we make the point now?
Point is that the record filed by them is not reliable. Now let me
Okay,
come.
fine. Then is there anything preventing? The matter is being contested in open court. The document is on record. If any party disagrees, disbelieves with a document, they can file their document.
No, I've shown from this instance that the documents they have filed are
They
not
are in your possession. I'm sure everybody
they're not
makes
complete.
photocopies. Parties could have brought those on
But
record.
they're in their possession also. All I'm showing is that documents in their possession.
get on with the
have
case?
Not being filed. Yes, my lord. Now let me come to my 7 points. I was going to do this at the very end, but I've done it.
मिस्टर राजा किसी जमाने में गवर्नमेंट और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडीज बोनाफाइड लिटिगेंट समझे जाते
जी,
थे
जी, जी।
अब तो ईसीपीपी मुकदमा जीतने आई है लाइक एन ऑर्डिनरी
They are
लिटिगेंट
acting as if there are adversaries. They should be independent, impartial,
Instead
arbiters of the election process.
they have come before us to behaving like an ordinary litigant.
Absolutely.
They
Their-
want to win the case.
Their interest
By any
should be,
means.
I bow, their interest should be to give effect to the will of the people. I don't see that happening. The suppression of documents in the case they have chosen to highlight. I have not chosen to file my documents. They filed my documents forcing me
Ganesh
to
Samad
file
साहब
my
हमने
ticket.
सुन ली बार
Ji,
बार
now
आप
let me
कोई
just-
बात कर रहे हो.
now let me read through my points, hopefully within 10 minutes. Number one, Kawal Shazab's right to file the appeal and be heard. She heads the PTI Women's Wing. She was one of two whose name was included in the list for women's reserved seats filed by PTI. SIC has confirmed that she remains a leading contender in case seats are allowed to SIC. She is directly affected by the outcome of the proceedings before the SC. And I refer to pages 7 and 23 of CMA 5917, in which the list in which her name is included, the women's seats list that PTI filed is there. And at page 23 is the Sunni Ittihad Council certificate recognizing her as a leading contender for a women's seat if they are allowed. So she is not just anybody off the street.
Please, आगे बढ़िए.
Gee, sir,
I mean, what's the point in making these statements off the street?
Lord, allow me to.
I mean, even if she's off the street, she's the highest respect. ये बातें ना करें ना.
उनकी
जरा आगे बढ़ें,
that
please.
she's not entitled to maintain.
Please, आगे बढ़िए.
चलिए. A political party can gain a general seat in two ways. Either when one of its ticket holders is declared successful as a result of polling, this would be a directly won seat, or an independent joins it. So general seats can be acquired in two ways. Either way, the party is said to have secured or won a general seat. The sole purpose of the proviso in Article 51(6) is to clarify, 51(6)(d) I should say, is to clarify that independents joining a party will be treated as seats won by that party. Nowhere does Article 51(6) speak of directly won general seats. That's a very important distinction. Directly won seats are on polling day. Other seats won are when independents join. They're both general seats.